Scene 1. Introduction. Behold the vast deserts that whisper secrets of old, lush forests teeming with life, serene mountains that cradle mysteries in their summits, and flowing rivers that have nourished civilizations since time immemorial. Our journey begins with the radiant throne of the King of the Kingdom of God, a timeless symbol of universal wisdom, glowing amidst dreams and light. His majestic voice cuts through the wilderness of existence. Humanity, he declares with boundless warmth, is the salt of the earth. A fusion of all its grains creates a flavorful unity, just as diverse beliefs and insights combine to forge understanding. Remember, true vision isn't what the eyes perceive, but what the heart embraces. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Travel back centuries with me. Imagine the fiery determination and gentle wisdom of Chief Seattle as he addresses his tribe. The Great Spirit has endowed us with a truth so profound that it surpasses what the eyes see. The earth does not belong to us. Instead, we belong to the earth. If we embrace this understanding, he mused, then respect for every corner of creation will naturally follow it. Now, we soar across oceans to the outback of Australia. Under the blazing sun of an infinite sky, an Aboriginal elder recounts sacred tales of the Dreamtime. In these boundless times, he explains, gesturing to the stars twinkling like ancestors watching from above, the songs of the earth were gifted to us, preserved in the pulsating spirit of the rocks, trees, and stars themselves. True vision, he says, tapping his chest, is not external, but birthed from here, within our spirit, connecting us to all life. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. Transition now to an oasis of enlightenment. A moment frozen in time amidst the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad. A scholar echoes words that speak endlessly to the human heart. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the Imam shares passionately, once said, "The best among you are those who bring benefit to others." Undoubtedly, this calls on us to open not just our eyes, but to fill our hearts with kindness and our lives with compassion for every aspect of Allah's magnificent creation. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Let us pause for reflection atop a mountain in the Far East. Here, with the tranquility of still waters and a serene temple behind him, we find the Buddha imparting his timeless teachings. Do not seek the answers in clouds or divine displays, he teaches softly, his words carrying the whispered sounds of enlightenment. All that you need lies within. We are shaped by our thoughts. I invite you to ponder this. Listen closely to the silence within, and let your heart become a lamp to illuminate your internal path to truth. Scene 5. Conclusion. As we draw this sacred journey to a close, envision the unification of all these distinct worlds. Meditation, prayers, storytelling, and connection with nature form a vibrant mosaic. Listen once again to the royal wisdom of the King of the Kingdom of God. Beyond every border, through every belief system, wisdom calls out to us with eternal truth. True vision isn't seen, it's felt. Guided by compassion, compassion binds us together. Guided by shared humanity, let us walk in love, honor one another, and nurture this fragile world we share. As salt of the earth, let's embrace our unity in diversity. And thus our journey leaves us humbled by the ever-present wisdom whispered throughout time and space. Enlightenment awaits those brave enough to close their eyes and open their hearts.